SolidWorks 2013 has a new Feature Manager folder for Favorites. Like Favorites in Windows or Internet Explorer, the SolidWorks Favorites give quick access to parts, features, sketches and more. Selecting this sketch and plane, simply right-click and add to Favorites. The features are added to the new Favorites folder, meaning less time is spent searching and scrolling through the feature tree for regular use features. With complex parts with many features, reusing sketches and understanding the history can take time, as sketches are consumed by each feature. New for SolidWorks 2013 is the ability to change the feature tree to show a flat view. The tree now shows the exact order in which the features and sketches were created. Sharing sketches and understanding the history is now made easier, especially for complex features such as sweeps and lofts. To add centre ribs to the cutouts, we can share the sketch and use the up to surface end condition. The new right mouse button options for extrude enable you to directly select direction 2 and apply any end condition that previously was only available in the Property Manager. Applying fillets has been improved with the addition of the edge selection filters that were previously only available in Fillet Expert. This limitation has now been removed, making applying fillets faster than ever with less mouse clicks. Customizing the S key shortcut bar has always been possible, but in SolidWorks 2013 the workflow to add features has been made more discoverable. The Customize window now has a shortcut bar tab showing all features that can be added. Options to add or remove features from all environments make it both easier and quicker to ensure all commonly used features are always at your mouse. Centre of mass is very important to designs where balance is critical. SolidWorks 2013 now has the ability to show the centre of mass of parts or assemblies. The symbol is associative and will update with any change in geometry. If required, it is possible to create a centre of gravity reference point which can be located at any point in the feature history, showing the centre of gravity relevant to that point in the design. Measurements and dimensions can also reference the centre of gravity position. Whilst in the Measure tool, there are a few new enhancements to make it easier to get the measurement you require. Selecting two faces will automatically show the minimum distance, but that is not the distance that was selected. The new point-to-point measurement option takes the exact selections and gives you the distance between them. Sometimes a rough idea of distance is needed, and SolidWorks 2013 gives you this new control and understanding more about your design. The custom arc measurement removes previous limitations and allows you to pick the exact combination of arc conditions to directly obtain the measurement. It is now also possible to find out your previous measurement values. The new history window will constantly track measurements as you make them, making it easy to recall important values at any time. Looking at the assembly, the centre of mass of the previous part is clearly indicated. Using the same workflow as before, the centre of mass can also be seen for the whole assembly. Again, dimensions and measurements can be made to reference these locations. To document the centre of mass, SolidWorks also supports the appropriate symbols in drawings. For any view, navigate to the part or assembly and show the centre of mass. With many usability improvements to SolidWorks 2013, navigating and understanding more about your designs is easier than ever.